guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video, as you see from the title, we are doing a big, giant fall decorate with me, and this is going to be part one of prepping and going out and actually shopping for that fall decor. It is not quite fall, but we are leading up to the next couple weeks. It's gonna start feeling more like fall. It is currently September 13th, and honestly, I was going to wait until October to decorate for fall, but it's been really kind of cool outside lately, very crisp mornings. I've been wearing sweaters around the house, so I'm like, you know what? It's feeling enough like fall for me to kind of jump in and start decorating for fall around the house. If you guys are new around here, my boyfriend Kyle and I, we just moved to St. Louis, Missouri, and we just bought our first home together. And honestly, this is going to be the first home that I truly decorate for the seasons. We have previously lived in apartments and townhomes, and this is our first home together. So I am personally so excited to finally decorate our space. I don't know why, but when we lived in apartments, I just never had the urge to decorate. One, because we were always traveling back home to see our families for the holidays, so we weren't even really at our house for the holidays to enjoy the decor. And now we live close to family, and we might be having family over to our house for holidays this year, so definitely more exciting to decorate the house for me personally. But yeah, I cannot wait. We are going to do a big shopping spree today. I'm going to go to a few different places just because I'm not sure exactly what I want, to be honest. I didn't really make a list of exact things I need. I just want to shop around and have fun and see if anything catches my eye. Now, since this is a new house of ours, guys, I do not have any previous fall decor. I know a lot of people, they have big tubs full of like previous year's decor. I am literally starting from scratch, so it's kind of even more fun because of that. I have nothing, like I don't even have fall candles in the house yet, so we are going to get it all done today. We're going to go to Home Goods, we're going to go to Target. I also want to go to a couple thrift stores and see if I can find any finds from there, and I'm not trying to totally break the bank today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for part two. Part two will be me actually decorating the entire house and showing you guys like the finishing touches and all of that. But let's go ahead and get on into the video.
Another vice, grab my old lighter.
All right, starting off with our sunroom. I don't know exactly what I'm going to add to this space to make it more fall, but I figured we do have this little side table here. I could potentially get something to put on this table, but there's definitely not going to be too much to add to this room, but who knows? We'll see. Honestly, I feel like with fall decor, you can really do anything. You could even get like wall decor, but yeah, we're just gonna kind of wait and see, but I know I want to put something on that middle table for sure. As far as the kitchen goes, I know I definitely want to add some decor just since we do have so much countertop space. I figure right now this is kind of like spring summery vibes. I would love to switch this up, make it a little bit more fall. Potentially get something to put over here or in the corner. I would love to even get like some fall mugs to put up there. I don't know, let me know if you guys have any ideas since this is part one. Comment down below if you guys have any ideas of ways that I could kind of transform this room into fall. I do have these shelves over here, so I think it would be a good opportunity to add like cute little pumpkins or just any type of minimal fall decor over there. Maybe get some pumpkin or like just fall decor towels or something to put there. I even have thought about the idea of switching out these green mats for like, I don't know, cream or even possibly like an orange color. Let me know what you guys think as far as the floor mats go. Coming into our dining room area, I actually kind of have an idea in mind of what I want to put in the center of the table. I saw some inspo pictures on Pinterest that really caught my eye. And I was thinking a little wooden bowl with like some pumpkins in it would be really cute, but obviously we'll just kind of see what I come across today, but that is something I'm thinking about putting in the center of that dining table. And as far as blankets go, I feel like blankets are a really easy way to sort of like change with the seasons. I do have a really cute knit blanket that I'll probably keep, but I feel like you could even add different like accent colors of like browns, creams, and so I may look for some cozy fall blankets today, as well as pillows. Honestly, it's not like these are like specifically summer themed pillows or anything, but I do think pillows are another easy way to kind of decorate for the season, so I may look for some fall decorative pillows. Honestly, I've been kind of stumped at like decorating coffee tables because we really just utilize this space for TV remotes, candles, and we eat food on this table a lot, so I don't like to just like cover it with decor. But if I come across maybe like a cute bowl or some pumpkins or something today, I may end up putting something there, and obviously I'll switch out that candle for a fall. I have not been super big on the decor that I've done on our TV consoles, so I know for a fact that this is going to switch out to something just a little bit different, potentially like pumpkins or just like fall decor in this corner. I know I'm gonna keep these pictures, but we also have some shelves over here that I think this is a really easy way to also decorate for the seasons, whether it's fall or Christmas. You can easily swap out some of this decor on the shelves for more like seasonal decor. So definitely gonna keep my eye out for different like fall decor candles and plants and stuff like that. If you guys are interested in seeing a more in-depth house tour, I do have a full walkthrough house tour video on my channel where I walk through every single room. I talk about pretty much every single thing that you see in our house. I also have every single thing in our house over on my Instagram, so you can go check it out, see where it's from, the exact link to every furniture piece. So yeah, just wanted to mention that in case you guys are interested. When it comes to my office, I don't think I'm going to be adding a ton of fall decor in here, but I do think it'd be really easy to add some fall decor back here, potentially on these shelves. Call me crazy, but I've even thought about doing like fall pictures back here. I don't know. Let me know if you're like, Madison, no, that's going too far. But yeah, that'll probably be it as far as fall decor in here. I did just order a really cute clothing rack to put right here on this wall, which I'll have hanging with all of my like fall clothes, like sweaters, jackets, boots, and stuff. I think that alone is going to be a really nice touch of decor. Our house has a lot of really cute little nooks and crannies like this, so I want to take advantage of these cute spaces in our house to also decorate with fall decor. Not entirely sure what type of decor I want in the bedroom, to be honest. I just want to kind of look around and see if anything catches my eye that I think would look nice, but I think just even adding things to your nightstands or on top of your dresser. Don't get me started. I'm trying to get Kyle to hang up this TV because if this was mounted, I think the dresser would be a great place to decorate. But I am definitely gonna keep my eye out for some cute bedroom fall decor as well. Okay, enough babbling. We are going to head out. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks, get a little pumpkin spice latte on the way because I'm craving one, and we're gonna go shopping.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word.
Get the croissant?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, you guys know I couldn't resist getting myself a little pumpkin drink while we're going fall shopping. It's just that time of year. I love it. I actually did not get a pumpkin spice latte today though. I got a iced coffee with a pumpkin cream on top. I just like the flavor of it a little bit better, and I have them add cinnamon on top as well. It's just a little bit more like thick and creamy to me. I don't know, in my head it is at least. And then I'm also really hungry, so I got myself a little croissant as well. Starbucks has really good croissants. They have like butter croissant. They also have like fillings. I just get the butter croissant heated up. So yum. So on the agenda, we are going to head over to Home Goods for our first stop. did some damage. I kind of blacked out and just couldn't help myself. I pretty much bought the entire store. When I was walking out to my car, I had my car like full of bags, as you guys saw, and some lady driving by goes, "Did you buy the whole store?" I was dying. And then the lady who was checking me out, I had like one of those smaller carts, and when I was checking out, she goes, "Girl, you want to get a bigger cart?" Dead. So I went and got a bigger cart. I was like, yeah. I went and got one. As she was like ringing me out, I started putting everything in the bigger cart because it was like overflowing. So I'm about at my max spending limit that I gave myself for the day, but I do have a couple things that I'm still on the hunt for. I could not for the life of me find any pillows that I liked in there. I found a couple, but there was no matching pillow. There's just like one, and I hate when that happens. And then I couldn't find a wreath that I really liked, so I'm gonna go to Target, but I am going to be very self-disciplined and not let myself just like wander and grab everything that I like. I'm going to make sure that I go in looking for just a couple things, and I hopefully not gonna get anything else. So let's head to Target. It is like so crowded out today. It's like 1 o'clock on a Tuesday, so I don't really understand why people are out. Don't mind me just filming, walking across the street, everyone's looking at me. But yeah, Home Goods was so crowded, I felt like I was like fighting shoulder to shoulder with people just to get a damn pumpkin. But we are going to go at it again in Target, and hopefully it's not as crowded. I feel like everybody's out on their lunch break right now, like shopping for fall decor, like me. Okay, everything is like nearly picked over here. It's pretty empty, but I did find a couple pillows that I like. I really like these knit style pillows. Even though they're not like pops of fall color, I still feel like they're really cozy. So I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. I don't know, should I get just like the cream, even though it kind of blends in with the couch, or should I get like pops of color? Whenever you are going shopping, it's really important to have a budget in mind. Like today, I went in mind with a budget and like a number that I didn't want to cross over. And sometimes you can hit that number sooner than you expect, and that's okay. Things are expensive nowadays. Something that's important to pay attention to is there are so many ways that you can actually save money while you're shopping. And that's why I wanted to mention Fetch, who is sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be working with them because I personally use Fetch on my own. So when they reached out, I was like, perfect. I would love to talk about them to you guys. And if you guys are not familiar, it's an app where essentially you can scan your receipts from shopping, restaurants, online shopping even, and you can get points back that you can use later on towards gift cards like Amazon, Starbucks, Target, or many other places. And it doesn't just have to be like a mainstream store like Target that you're shopping at. Really, it can be like a small boutique, like I said, online shopping, or even if you're dining at a restaurant, even if you're ordering food for delivery, all of those purchases, you can still scan the receipt, the physical copy, or the online e-receipt, and you can still get points towards a gift card. I'll show you what the app looks like right here, but as you see, you can shop at all your normal stores like Amazon and Walmart and still get points for all of your purchases. Even if you just downloaded the app today and you have a receipt from a couple weeks ago, you can still scan that old receipt and redeem points, which is awesome. I just scanned my receipt from Target, and as you guys see, I got 1,000 points back, and once you reach 5,000 points, that's when you can start redeeming them for gift cards. It's so fast and so easy. I just did it in like 2 minutes, so there's really no reason not to do it. I mean, we all love free stuff, and this is just an opportunity to get some money back for spending all that money in the store that you just shopped at. If you guys are interested in checking out Fetch, I will have the link to download the app down below, and you can use my code Madison Campbell to automatically get 5,000 points to redeem after you scan your first receipt. And this is a very limited time offer, so if you guys are interested in getting those 5,000 points, definitely click that link down below. All right, y'all, I just did some more damage at Target. Not too much. I honestly got out of there so fast because everything was really expensive. It was a lot more expensive than Home Goods. I wasn't about to pay like $50 for throw blankets and stuff like that, so I got a couple pillows. I ended up going with the cream ones because I got some colorful blankets to put on the couch, and I didn't want too much color. I still like that neutral vibe, and you guys will see once I show you everything from the haul. I don't like anything like too cheesy. I don't want anything that says like pumpkins or gather or give thanks, like all of that stuff I'm trying to avoid. So So I just got a few more things for the house, just like neutral, simple decor, and I went to the Target Dollar Spot and they had a bunch of goodies. So if you guys go anywhere, definitely check out the Target Dollar Spot. I kind of wish I went there first because they had a bunch of really cute like pumpkins and acorns and glass bowls and glass pumpkins and stuff like that for like $1 to $5, whereas Home Goods, they were all over $5. So definitely look for those deals, but I am done. I was gonna go to the thrift store, but honestly, I think I got everything that I need, and I kind of need to go home and just like reassess, because I feel like once you just start like piling things in your bag, you kind of forget what you're even buying. So I need to go home and reassess everything that I bought, and then I will check in with you guys when we get home. As you see, I did some damage, but I am so excited. Like, this stuff just like lights me up. I love home decor. Everything about like seasonal decor just gets me so excited. I just feel like a little kid again. So I cannot wait to just go at it and start decorating the heck out of this house. I got so many good finds, and honestly, the amount that I spent is not that much compared to the stuff that I got. I kind of thought I was gonna go over budget. I am going to give a person who guesses the exact amount that I spent today a hefty Venmo, if you can get it correctly. I'm going to give it like 2 or 3 days, and if you comment down below the exact money that you think I spent, I will send you a message and get your Venmo to send you a little prize. So go ahead, comment down below, throw in your guesses. What do you think I spent? But I am about to go at it and start decorating. If you guys are interested in seeing how I decorate the house with all of these goodies, definitely stick around for part 2. It should be up any day now, so hit that subscribe so that you don't miss it, and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever that video is live. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall shop and prep with me video. It would just be way too long if I started decorating and included that in today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.